Welcome to the eSavvy 3-minute series of tutorials from Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online. eSavvy hopes that you find this series informative and that each video helps you better understand how to get the most out of your CRM Online experience. In this video we will cover an introduction to charts. Microsoft CRM allows you to very easily navigate through the application, bringing up lists of the relevant data types and the list of records that you've created under the various categories. For example, I have a list here of open leads. Sometimes it's difficult to visualize what this data actually looks like. You might want to cast a picture of how this is actually segregated and made up. And this is where charts can come in and be very useful. Over on the right hand side, and this is available on any record type, on whether you're using the browser interface as I'm using here or whether you're using the Outlook client. We simply click on the little left pointing arrow and it will automatically open up the chart window, and this will stay open for as long as we keep it open here. Here we're seeing a list of source leads by source campaign. So this list of 10 leads is broken down by these particular sources. There are other default charts that are provided by the system. Another such example is lead source, where I'll now break down all those 10 leads and actually see where they originated from. We can see in the pie that 4 of the leads came from the web. I might be interested in drilling down into those in a little bit more detail. If I click on the green segment, which is the web, I can then simply specify that I want to drill in to see how the salespeople are rating those so far. So I might actually go into the list of all the attributes available to me on the lead, and I'm going to pick rating, and I'm going to say that I want to display this by a bar chart. Click on OK, and it will redisplay the chart in a bar chart, drill down lead source by web, and we can see that we've got 3 that are warm and 1 that's hot, and I can further drill into those if I want to. Over on the left hand side you will have noticed that the system has automatically filtered out the resulting set of leads that make up this chart based on my drill down criteria. So it's very easy now for me to look at and open up any one of these particular leads if I further want to interrogate it in detail. I can simply go back up 1 level by clicking on the back button, or I can go back up to the top of lead source by clicking on the home button. These charts are available on all record types. By second example, I'll choose opportunities. Here I've got a list of open opportunities and I can request for the chart window to be open. And this is showing me the top 10 opportunities ranked by their estimated revenue, and it's showing me who the potential customer is. I might want to see that as a traditional sales pipeline, as a funnel, and now it's redisplayed that for me there. I might want to further interrogate the $36,000 that's sitting there marked as the closing stage. I simply click on it to drill into it, pick how I want to redisplay it, and this might be by customer, who the potential customer is, and this time I'm going to choose a column. Click on OK and it will redisplay the data, and I can see how that $36,000 of closing revenue is broken down in this example by 2 opportunities. Now I can further drill into each of these opportunities and interrogate them further. Thank you for watching this eSavvy 3-minute series video on an introduction to charts. We hope that you found it informative, and if you'd like to view other videos from this series, please visit www.esavvyonline.com.au.